Introducing nVent GARDNER Bender's Box Solutions Kit. nVent GARDNER Bender's Box Solutions Kit offers a complete assortment of products required by both professionals and do-it-yourselfers to properly complete box installations. The kit includes 10 grounding screws and 10 grounding clips. 4 strips of electrical spacers are available to help secure switches or outlets to the electrical box. Machine screws range from 1/2 inch to 3 inch in both round and flat head options. Faceplate screws are also included in both ivory and white. Save time and money with this all-in-one 124-piece box solutions kit. To learn more about nVent GARDNER Bender's Box Solutions Kit, visit us online at www.nvent.com/GARDNERBender.